Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will deal with magical probability. Definition: probability of a single event occurring without considering other event. Example: if we have a joint probability distribution for variable x and y, the marginal probability Px represents the probability distribution of alone by summing or integrating over all possible values of y. Conditional definition: probability of event when any other event has already occurred. Example: given that it is already raining event A, the conditional probability converts the probability of observing heavy traffic. It quantifies how the probability of event B changes when we have additional information about event. Our next topic is probability distribution, mathematical representation of likelihood of different outcomes in a random experiment or variable. Example: probability distribution provides a framework for modeling and analyzing data. Making predictions and estimating another unknown parameters. Common probability distribution include the normal distribution and the binomial distribution. By assigning probability definition, statistical framework that builds or assigns probability based on prior knowledge and known as evidence. Example: Bayesian probability allow us to incorporate prior information and revise probability as new data become available. It is useful when we have limited data or prior knowledge that can influence the analysis. To analyze these concepts statistically, let's consider the example. Suppose we want to analyze the relationship between the steady horse x and y. The same example that we have see upper and example for y of the group students. We have calculated the we can collect data on the number of hours each student studies and their corresponding exam score. By calculating the joint probability distribution of x and y, we can understand the likelihood of specific combinations of study hours and exam score. So here is a example of joint probability. Import numpy as np x and np dot random 1 to 7 rand int. It can take random numbers starting from 1 and end at 0 and the size is 100. And y np dot random choice h and t coin toss outcome. So joint probability is np dot sum. This is a equation of sum. X is equal to s is double is equal to 6 and y double is equal to h and divided by length of h. So the joint probability will be found. Magical probability, this is similar as magical probability, but the difference is that